A2P is about businesses communicating with their customers, and that's something which a business cherishes, because that relationship and the way in which they communicate that kind of their brand values to their customers is really important. And for A2P messaging, that's something that's taken kind of 5 to 10 years. We're seeing huge growth across Telefonica. We use Europe as almost the benchmark for the other markets. So interestingly, we've seen good growth across Germany, Spain, and the UK. However, in kind of LATAM, where we've got close to 15 markets, we're expecting their markets to kind of grow by 3 to 5 times. And that's, we believe, fairly conservative for those markets. There's 2 main reasons for the growth we expect. One, removing SIM farms, which is the major issue they suffer from over there. And 2, just the confidence that will grow in A2P once brands and customers start using it properly. Authentication is a way in which, obviously, banks securely connect their customers to their services, but also OTT players. We're seeing it across all of Telefonica's markets. It represents over 20% of the messaging volumes in every market, if not a lot more in some of the most kind of more developed markets. So we're looking to bring through other ways of enhancing that authentication by checking a consumer's details to check whether a SIM has been changed or a customer's identity may have been kind of tampered with in some way. So that way of assuring that that is a secure type of message and a secure method of communicating is really important. The reason that A2P messaging is so successful is because it's got brands' trust and customers' trust. What we're now seeing clearly as P2P trends normally come through in A2P, but it takes time. We're seeing messaging as a platform becoming a concept that's widely used in the markets. And that's really our or an aggregator's ability to consolidate all the types of messaging available and create a way in which a brand can communicate that seamlessly with their customers. Yet we are seeing a future for messaging where we believe there will be some rich communication. We believe that there will be video communication. We believe that obviously pictures is a big part of communicating well with a customer. RCS is one of those options available. Us as well as other operators are obviously reviewing that. It's important for us that the type of messaging that's used in the future is something that the brands and the consumers have trust in. So as soon as we see something that both brands and consumers are moving towards, clearly as Telefonica and as operators, we will adopt that technology. And in the future, we believe that actually a brand will want to have a conversation with its customer. We're seeing it online, but we believe that actually there's room for a kind of a messaging conversation to take place. Bots and AI is obviously extremely important to that, and harnessing the developer community to create new types of way of kind of using bots to create a really seamless, easy conversation between brands and customers is really important.